Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Leos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Leos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And this is an intuitive reading, guys. So at some point of time, you may get the answers you need for your circumstances. So it's better you watch till the end of the reading, Leos. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies. We have Page of Cups in reverse, Three of Wands in reverse, and Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, maybe you are someone in a good place, in a good position. You have achieved certain things for yourself, happy for the way things are. But maybe you are trying to uh, be really proud, trying to, what to say, be really authoritative in your situation, trying to control someone, and people may feel that you are abusing your position and power. And since you are really successful, you are not humble, but maybe you are behaving in such a way to help others, to support them, but you are doing it in a stronger way. People may not like your attitude today. So it may be the case even in this relationship. Maybe with this person, you may suggest them strongly on certain things. You may give some strong ideas. So it may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. And they may not like the way you are speaking to them. So they feel that you are trying to dominate them and control them for some reason. And you may see a lot of difficulties in this relationship, maybe some misunderstanding, a lot of stress may be there. And you are speaking quite openly about what you feel, even though it may look like something like a control you are having on this person. But you are not holding yourself back, you are talking freely to this person. But they have something in their mind, they are not telling you freely because they don't want to listen to your suggestions again. So they are not revealing to you something. They may have some secrets in their heart. So this person is seeing you as someone really difficult to handle, and they feel that you are using all your power and trying to dominate them in some ways. And also, Leos, with these cards, I see that maybe if that is the case, even that is the case, they feel like you are controlling them or dominating them in some ways and they do not like it. But still, whatever you see today, maybe you are sad by the way this person is behaving towards you, whatever it may be. All that is resolving, things are changing, and end of disappointment today. That is what I see. Circumstances are definitely changing for you, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Four of Cups in reverse. A very apt card. Just now we saw that end of troubles and disappointments today. So in your relationship, there is a new beginning. Things are moving towards a new vibrancy, a new sweetness, a new romance for some of you if you are single. So you both have a very good understanding flowering in this relationship. So all those difficulties and whatever complaints you each other may have, all that is ending today, Leos. So for your career circumstances, Leos, let's see what is the card. We picked one card and it is 5 of Swords. So with this card, it just means that you are making a lot of efforts, doing your best, trying your best. You may see some obstacles, some delays in work, but your hard work is definitely paying off, Leo. So you can be happy for that. So that is the reading with these cards, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so we will start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we will see what it is. Fair brown and trembling. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation today, whenever this card comes to you, it just means that you are supposed to manifest whatever you wish for and do not accept the fate someone else is forcing upon you. You will, maybe you are shy about something, you are feeling really humiliated, and all that humiliation you have gone through in your life, all that troubles or whatever circumstances, toxic circumstances you have been through, and you were really hurt. But very soon you will find the person who will respect you for what you are, respect your characteristics, respect your uniqueness. And this person will protect you, and this person will fight for you, and they will also search for you if you are not to be found. That will be their dedication to you and to this love you both will share. And there is a good fortune coming to you, guys, for those who chose this card. And you need to value yourself and believe in yourself, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. Maybe the strangeness or shyness, whatever it is the most valued and treasured qualities you have. You need to understand that. And all that goodness you have today, maybe the opportunities, maybe people within your own family are not kind towards you. They are quite jealous, or they are thinking of you in a bad way. They may have bad intentions towards you. And you need to understand that if you are in a good position, maybe financially, or um, that's what I mean. Financially, if you are in a good position, you have a lot of things people may be envious about. It is all the fruits of your own hard work, and you need not give it away to someone. You need not share it with the people who do not care for you, guys. It will never bring happiness to that person and only to you. And you need to understand that. And you are someone unique, and you need to have that trust in yourself. And you will find that true love, long lasting love, that is coming towards you, and this person will understand you and respect you for what you are, what you truthfully are, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Pink Sapphire. So it is a crystal spirits card here, guys. So with this card, it just means that you need to heal yourself. That is the energy with this crystal spirit, the pink sapphire spirit. It just means that you need to turn inward and you need to be concerned about yourself and not with others at this particular time. Let go of any urge you are having to think about the past, assessing what happened, what went wrong, and reliving the past. That is not going to help you in any way. You need to, you deserve to be happy, confident, and faithful. So, in order to achieve all that, you must let go of all that old stories, release the pain that is no longer serving you. So, you need to, maybe sometimes we may feel sad, we may feel like crying. We need to vent it all, vent out, go for a good cry, give up all that energy out of you, all that negative energy out of you, make way for it out of you. And you need to fill yourself up with love and acceptance that you so much deserve today. So, this crystal card just reminds you that you are what you are, all that you need to be right now. You are whole, you are someone, a beautiful spirit, and conscious universe which is loving you is telling you that you are very strong as you are, and you need not feel anything negative about you. And this crystal spirit teaches us forgiveness, guys. So when we forgive, we let go of all those toxic feelings and we welcome love and happiness in our heart. So that is the energy here with this card. And that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.